Hello, I'm Bobby Savoy, and I'm an AARP volunteer. Today's message from the Louisiana State Office is about repairing your credit. If you're like many of us, you spent a lot this holiday season, and you might be in the mood to tackle your debt in the new year. Getting yourself out of debt is hard work, and it is time intensive. Be wary of offers of guaranteed quick fixes. Remember that there are no guarantees in life, and there are no quick fixes. These criminal scammers prey on our financial fears by offering simple solutions. These offers usually involve upfront fees, which are illegal, bad advice, like stopping communication with your creditors, and vague details on what services they provide. If you need help getting out of debt, turn to an organization like the nonprofit National Foundation for Credit Counseling. We can all be fraud fighters. If you can spot a scam, you can stop a scam. Together, we can fight back to protect ourselves from these criminals. You should report these scams to local law enforcement. You can also contact the AARP Fraud Watch Network, which is a free resource for everyone, where you can learn how to proactively spot scams or to get guidance if you've been targeted. Visit www.aarp.org/fraudwatchnetwork or call our dedicated helpline to speak to a fraud specialist at 1-877-908-3360. And you can text FWN to 50757 to receive bi-weekly alerts from the Fraud Watch Network. Stay safe and stay vigilant, and together we will defeat these criminals.